We start today with another court hearing involving St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner. Today, her attorney and a prosecutor from her office are addressing why no one from her office showed up for a murder trial. Thanks for joining us. I'm Holden Kerwicki. Kate Quinn has the day off. A judge threatened jail time or a fine for contempt of court after Gardner's office was a no-show at a murder trial last week. Our Christine Byers was in the courtroom. And Christine, what did the judge have to say about this latest no-show?
Sure, Holden. So Judge Scott Millikan criticized the conduct of Gardner and her office, but he said it didn't rise to the level of criminal contempt. Simply put, he says the bar is high to jail or fine someone for contempt, and in this case, internal communications show an office in disarray, but not purposely involved in showing up for court. The case in question involves the murder of Brandon Scott, who was gunned down while driving in downtown St. Louis in 2021. He crashed his car on the Arch grounds. Jonathan Jones, then 16, was among the people who were arrested. His trial was supposed to begin last Monday, but the circuit attorney listed on the case, Alex Polta, took a medical leave and no one showed up for the trial. Today, Polta did show up in court as Gardner's attorney Michael Downey did as well, and Polta apologized as well as Kim Gardner's attorney. She did not attend. Scott's family was there to watch the whole thing.
It's like they took the case and put it on the back burner. Like no one thought anything about it until this incident came about where Kim Gardner started getting into trouble. Otherwise, I believe if the incident hadn't came out about Kim, none of this would have ever came to the courts whatsoever. So I honestly believe that since Kim did what she did, then all this came to the light for everyone to know what's exactly going on in Kim's office.
Scott's family also told me the night that he was killed, he was out celebrating after he completed his commercial driver's license classes, and he made a wrong turn and was shot, possibly due to road rage. They also tell me someone from Gardner's office called them 3 days before the trial was to begin, telling them that it wasn't moving forward.
So, Christine, the question that I have, and I'm sure a lot of people out there at home have, is what's next for the defendant in this case?
Sure, Holden. So his public defender argued the case should be dismissed. At the very least, her client should be released on bond because his constitutional rights to a speedy trial have been violated. The judge agreed with her arguments but denied the motion, saying he fears if he were to drop the case, prosecutors would just refile it and start the clock all over again. So he set it for trial in June and said pretty strongly that he expects someone from the circuit attorney's office to show up.
All right, Christine, thank you. And I know you'll continue following the latest developments in this case.